Imagine earning money from your bedroom. No boss, no office, just a laptop and internet connection. But is it really possible, or just another internet myth? Yes, you can make money online, but not the way most people think. No get-rich-quick scheme. The real ways are simple, but they take creativity, skill, and consistency. YouTube, TikTok, blogs. Content is the new gold. If you can grab attention, you can monetize it. Ads, sponsorships, affiliate links. One viral video can pay more than a month's salary. Instead of selling physical goods, sell digital ones. Ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos. Create once, sell forever. That's called scalable income. Don't have an audience yet? Sell your skills. Writing, video editing, coding, design. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. No office needed. Want to sell products? You don't need a warehouse. Dropshipping and print on demand let you sell without touching inventory. Your job, marketing and branding. Stocks, ETFs, and crypto. High risk, high reward. But here's the key. Investing isn't about gambling. It's about discipline. The earlier you start, the more compounding works for you. Even if you're broke, you can start. Surveys, Microtasks, reward apps. It won't make you rich, but it's a stepping stone to something bigger. Most people fail online because they expect overnight results. The internet isn't a magic ATM. It's a platform. Your creativity, your skills, your consistency. That's the real currency. So, how do you want to earn? Content? Digital products? Freelance? E-commerce? Investing? The internet gives you tools, but you choose whether to use them. Remember, in the digital era, the biggest risk is doing nothing.